Your past does not define your future. Every day is a new chance to rebuild and rise. Don't let yesterday's mistakes steal today's opportunities. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. You can't change the past, but you can shape the future with the choices you make today. Embrace the struggle, for it is the foundation of your strength. In the darkest moments, remember, you are always one decision away from a completely different life. The journey to greatness begins with a single step away from your comfort zone. Don't watch the clock, do what it does. Keep going. The only way to fail is to stop trying. When life knocks you down, get up stronger, wiser, and more determined. Your future is created by what you do today, not tomorrow. The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. Small steps every day lead to big results over time. Don't limit your challenges. Challenge your limits. You have the power to create, to inspire, and to build something better with every choice you make. It's never too late to be what you might have been. What seems impossible today will one day become your warm-up. Don't fear failure. Fear being in the same place next year as you are today. Your mindset determines your direction. Keep it positive. Keep it powerful. You are stronger than you think, braver than you feel, and capable of more than you imagine.